Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,996. 24-hour volume, we are up 48.87%, and market cap, we are up 1.69%. Heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go through 4 different time intervals of 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. Heading straight to our 1 week here, we can see again the overall trend itself is a bear trend. We can see that the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, so it does initiate that we may have a breakout, either an uptrend or downtrend. In this week here, we are going to be challenged in the sense of our 20 MA. If we can close above it, we are going to retrace closer to a possible reversal here for Ethereum long term for a bullish term. However, if we take a look at our MACD indicator, the 0% line is far from our signal line and our MACD line, signaling that we are in a uptrend or bullish trend as secondary turns or lower time frames. If we can take an area of confluence as well with our fib chart extensions, these two lines, we can see there is an area of confluence of prices in between 1760 for 23% and 61% of our fib chart. Not only that, though, we can see again, there's another area of confluence as I'm moving these fib charts at an area where the price is currently at. Again, 38% of our fib at 1598 here. So if we do get either rejected from this line, the next area of retracement is going to be from the area of support that we got at 1425. We've got 1, 2, and 3 candlesticks retracing down to this level. If we take a look at our RSI here, we do see a slight pinch just above 20%. And if we do see the white line above the pink line here, then we are going to have a buying opportunity. Heading over to our daily chart here, we are going to take a look again. We see the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in and pinching in. So long as we can be able to close above our 20 MA, then a new trend is going to start. As we can see, our MACD indicator is slowing down the trend. And if we do see it close off and pinch off and see the next areas is going to be in the green, then we're about to close above this actual moving average here. Same thing we're going to do with our fib chart is we are going to take a look again at area of confluence areas here to see where we may retrace to or price is going to go to. Give me one moment to adjust this. And again, we can see some of our lines getting closer together, but more fixated around the 38 to the 61% of our fib, exactly where an area of confluence again is on the 20 MA. If we take a look as well, we may be having a stop here because our RSI has initiated a crossover more so on the bullish side. So if you can see here, the white line is seen above the pink line itself. So it is still saying a buying opportunity at this end here, where we may see a retracement level is all the way up here at 1651, as multiple areas of candlesticks have actually been rejected from this line here. Going into immediate short term of 2 hours, we're going to take a look at the same concepts. Here we do see that an expansion of the Bollinger Bands after consolidation and narrowing lines, meaning higher volatility. Price is going to move fairly quickly here. Taking a look at our MACD indicator as well, they are being retraced here. The lines and spaces in between our signal line and our MACD line is growing stronger, meaning that the price is going to come up. And if we take a look at an area of resistance, again, it's going to be around 1610 here as multiple candlesticks have been rejected from this line. And if we do take our fib chart here, we are going to see a few retracement levels because we see the price is going to come back down, as we see on our RSI is currently at 51 and 69%. So anticipate some dips in a shorter term. Taking a look at 30-minute time intervals, let's take a look at our volume here. So if we can see the volume itself decreased as well as the price was escalating a little higher up. If we're not going to have the volume coming up and retesting that resistance line, then we want to be looking for short entry trades. We do see that the MACD indicator here has already flipped over. However, the spaces in between does not support the momentum to come back up and retest this line here. So if we're going to take a fib chart here, we can see our golden number has retraced all the way down here at the 1578%. There is still some wiggle room for the price to come up back up because we see our K line at 71% and 50% for our D line here. So those are my observations here in 4 different time frames for Ethereum. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.